Have you ever wondered what it's like to rebuild a pressure regulator? Well, you're in the right place. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to attempt to break this down and replace the parts that made it blow out. So first we need to start disassembling stuff. So we'll start by disconnecting this. Never taken one of these apart before, so this is kind of a new experience for me. I need my Allen keys. This is why you pre-stage stuff, so you don't have to keep hunting things down. Ah, there it is. Let's see here. Let's see, it was this one maybe? Nope. There we go. Now getting this part off is the fun part. And mind you, I've never done this before, so it's kind of a turn the page and what's the adventure like today kind of task. So I'll use this comically oversized wrench. Let's see if taking this off does anything. Okay. And that was a plunder. I need to get inside there, so I think I'm going to need to get a other wrench. See, this is why you should read how to do this before you start taking things apart. Yeah, that doesn't come out, so I'm not going to push it. Well, let's take things out that we can that I need to replace. That was dirty. thing does not want to go. Alright, I think I'm gonna pause the video here before I break this and see which way that comes out. Okay, I got it loose. That was really stuck on. Okay. Don't look like there's anything in there I need to replace. I'm going to need to deburr that though, because there's a nice chip on there from the wrench. Okay. And this right here is what failed, I suspect. Oh, now I gotta get that open. That's gonna be fun. They just don't make this easy, do they? I should probably use a ratchet rather. It's almost like they don't want you fixing stuff. Let's go with a nice 16th maybe. Hey, look at that. There we go. Yeah, see how that it's all blown out? New ones. You'll see how all that material's still there. Okay, that appears to be the last item in there that I need to take out. At least from this part. So we can put that spring back in. Alright, now that we're back, phone call's over. Alright, so where did we leave off? We left off with me trying to remember how to put this back together. So this goes on here, then the spring goes on there, and then this all gets pushed into this hole, and then this cap gets pushed onto here, and then I get to socket it back in. And then to snug it up. Okay. That's been installed, a little piece of sticking out. And then now the diaphragm, I gotta remember how this went in. Let's see here, did that go like this? No. Went like that, okay. New one is slightly different. It's got this hex on it where this one's flat. But that shouldn't matter. And then that goes there. And I believe that's it for that. Now I get to do all this fun stuff. Well, maybe it'll be easier to put that like that. Put this on here. And then flip this over. Ah. Okay, I got it figured out. This goes down so this hits the spring. And then we screw this back on. Then we unscrew this back off because I didn't do something properly. This actually has the raising going up, not down. There we go. That way this piece can ride onto it. Now we've got it all figured out. All right. Now to make some more custom chowder marks on it. And there we go. It's a good thing this isn't for oxygen use. Alright, let's screw that in. If I need future adjustments, I can do it in there. Alright, now back to this side. We need to put the new screen in. Then this O-ring goes on to hold that in place. Alright. And then we tilt the whole thing upside down so we can screw that in. And I got argon facing outward, which is what I want because that's what I'm using. And then let's see here. What else do we gotta do? Oh yes, this part. Nothing else in there. That's bad. New O-ring. It goes into this hole. I said you go into that hole. There we go. Place the spring. Screw this back on. Use the Allen wrench, tighten it down. That's not tight. And now I decide if I want to take this apart or not. I don't think I'm going to because it wasn't leaking from it. So what I'm going to do is reattach it. Then we'll do a leak test with the bottle. And if everything checks out, then we are done. But if, shit. I knew I forgot something. See, this is what happens when I get ahead of myself. O-ring needs to go in. There we go. And of course, now the argon moved. So what we're going to do is, I want the argon facing that way. So we will place that this way. And it's tight. So I got my argon here. And now we reattach the hose fitting. And my pliers. Disconnect this guy. I'm doing that so I can get the wrench over here to finish the old twist job. Whew. Needs a little more twist. And good enough. Now I put this back on. Helps if I put it on the right way. Alright, and just give me a second and I'm going to set this all up on the argon tank and I will be back. Alright, let's get this piped up. I got it hooked in here, got it hooked up there. So, I don't hear any leaks. I do feel one though. So, and it's coming from down here, I think. I think it's actually coming from this. Yep, that was it. Alright, let's turn the welder on. So I get some CFM. 25. I like to go for about 20. So put the top of the ball on where the number you want, and that's it. So now that that's been set, I'll just purge the line. And it's purged. Turn that off. And that's a installed regulator now. So if you got any more questions on that, I will be happy to answer them. If not, hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next week. Have a good one.